At least 9 people have been found dead following a powerful blizzard that swept through the northern Japanese island of Hokkaido over the weekend. Rescue workers near the town of Nakashibetsu uncovered a family of 4. All died in their car as it was engulfed in snow. Japanese media said many local residents described Saturday's blizzard as the worst they could remember, with zero visibility and hurricane-force winds, adding to the already freezing temperatures.
This is Skyu. This winter it has received more than 5.5 meters of snow, the most ever recorded anywhere in Japan.
This might just look like an enormous pile of snow, but right underneath me here is a house.
The meringue-like snowpack is beautiful, but also destructive. The weight of all this can easily crush the houses.
Heavy rains and flooding in southwestern Ecuador leave at least 8 people dead. The storm hit the country's largest city of Guayaquil, flooding streets and stranding drivers. Officials reported that those who died included 1 person who drowned and 6 who were electrocuted. Local authorities have declared a state of emergency.
Fisheries experts are investigating what caused the death of thousands of fish on the Eyre Peninsula. The juvenile leather jackets have washed up along a 10-kilometre stretch of beaches south of Port Neal over the last week.
Absolutely incredible. I've never seen a fish kill like it in all my time travelling around the countryside.
Authorities believe unusually strong winds over several days may have caused the mass killing.
Have a big problem, and it's kind of a gross one too. Genetically mutated rats. Army snipers are going out at night hunting these things. An environmental expert says he thinks they're growing so big because they've been exposed to radiation and chemicals.
For the past 2 nights in a row, Devin Webster heard a mysterious booming sound at his home here in Chesney.
It rattled the room a little bit, the windows.
The same noise boomed through cow pens and at Barbara Lee's house near Gaffney.
For me, it felt more like it was vibrating the floors.
Neighbors tell us they don't know what's causing the sound or where it's coming from. They just say they hear it at night around 8 or 8:30.
A violent winter storm has battered the US East Coast, damaging homes in Massachusetts and causing travel chaos. The coastline was battered by 3 high tides during the duration of the storm, the worst on Friday morning when some roads in coastal towns were flooded with up to 3 feet of water. It also dropped nearly 2 feet of snow in some parts of the mid-Atlantic.
It was the strongest quake numerically in the LA area in 3 years.
parts of Israel have been dealing with a plague of biblical proportions. Massive locust swarms are coming into the country from Egypt and are destroying crops. The clouds of insects are darkening skies in southern Israel just in time for the Jewish Passover holiday. Passover recounts the 10 biblical plagues, one of them locusts.